Look at the 17th question. A, B and C can independently do a work in 15 days, 20 days and 30 days respectively. They work together for some time, after which C leaves. A total of 18,000 is paid for the work and B gets 6,000 more than C. For how many days did A work? Four choices are given. At first try yourself. Let's look at the answer. Assume that A and B work for M days while C work for N days before leaving the job. C work for N days before leaving the job. Since the total work is completed, M by 15 plus M by 20 plus N by 30 equal to 1. Now wages are distributed in proportion to the work done. B receives 6,000 more than C out of total 18,000. Therefore, the difference of their share is, the difference of share of B and C is M by 20 minus N by 30 equal to 6,000 divided by 18,000, that's equal to 1 by 3. Adding these two, we get M by 15 plus 2M by 20 equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Solving this, we get M is equal to 8. Therefore, D is the correct choice. Look at the 18th question. Ram starts working on a job and works on it for 12 days and complete 40% of the work. To help him complete the work, he employs Ravi and together they work for another 12 days and the work gets completed. How much more efficient is Ram than Ravi? Four choices are given. At first try yourself. Okay, look at the answer. Here, Ram complete 40% of the work in 12 days. Therefore, 1 day work of Ram is 40% divided by 12. That's equal to 0.4 by 12. That's equal to 1 by 30. Therefore, Ram completed entire work in 30 days. Now, remaining 60% of the work is completed by Ram and Ravi together in 12 days. Therefore, 1 day work of Ram and Ravi is 60% divided by 12. That's equal to 0.6 by 12. That's equal to 1 by 20. Therefore, Ram and Ravi completed entire work in 20 days. Ram completed entire work in 30 days. Next, we have to calculate Ravi's 1 day's work. Ravi's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. That's equal to 1 by 60. Therefore, Ram completed entire work in 30 days and Ravi completed entire work in 60 days. Therefore, Ram is 100% efficient than Ravi. D is the correct choice. Look at 19th question. Two pipes can fill a tank in 10 hours and 16 hours respectively. A third pipe can empty the tank in 40 hours. If all three pipes are opened simultaneously, then how much time will the tank be full? 5 choices are given. At first try yourself. Okay, look at the answer. Here, first pipe can fill the tank in 10 hours. Therefore, 1 hour work of first pipe is 1 by 10. Second pipe fill the tank in 16 hours. Therefore, 1 hour work of second pipe is 1 by 16. A third pipe can empty the tank in 40 hours. Therefore, the outlet pipe 1 hour work is minus 1 by 40. If all 3 pipes are working together, the 1 hour work of all 3 pipes is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 40. Solving this, we get 11 by 80. This means 1 hour of 3 pipes together work 11 by 80 part of the tank. Now students, remember this, if 1 hour work is 11 by 80, then the total time is 80 by 11. That's equal to 3 by 11 hours. Therefore, the fourth one is the correct choice. Look at 20th question. A can complete a work in 12 days, B in 18 days and C in 24 days. They start working together. After 2 days, A leaves the work. After 3 more days, B also leave. The remaining work is completed by C and D together in 5 days. For how many days can D alone can complete the whole work? 5 choices are given. At first try yourself. Look at the answer. Here, A can complete a work in 12 days. B can complete the work in 18 days. And C can complete the work in 24 days. If they are working together, the 1 day work of ABC is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18 plus 1 by 24. That's equal to 13 by 72. They work together for 2 days. Therefore, work completed in the first 2 days is 2 into 13 by 72. That's equal to 13 by 36. After 2 days, A leaves the work. Now only B and C continue. Therefore, the 1 day work of B and C is 1 by 18 plus 1 by 24. That's equal to 7 by 72. They worked next 3 days. Therefore, the work completed by B and C in 3 days is equal to 3 into 7 by 72. That's equal to 7 by 24. Now let us find the total work completed the first 5 days. That's equal to 13 by 36 plus 7 by 24. That's equal to 13 by 36 plus 7 by 24 is equal to 47 by 72. The remaining work is 1 minus 47 by 72. That's equal to 25 by 72. Thus, this remaining 25 by 72 part of the work is completed by C and D together in 5 days. Therefore, 1 day work of C and D is 25 by 72 divided by 5. That's equal to 5 by 72. We know that C's 1 day's work is 1 by 24 and C plus D 1 day work is 5 by 72. Therefore, D's 1 day work is equal to 5 by 72 minus 3 by 72. That's equal to 1 by 36. Therefore, D completes the work in 36 days. 2 is the correct choice.